in 1985, there were 285 cell phone subscribers in Mayville. The number of subscribers increased by 75% per year after 1985. How many subscribers were there in Mayville in 2008? So we're still going to use the same setup that we did before. Since we're told that this number is increasing by 75%, that's what tells us that this is growth. And because it's increasing by a percent, that's how we know that it's exponential. So we still need to know our equation, which is y equals p times 1 plus r raised to t. We're going to need to know our principal or our initial value. We're going to need the rate as a percentage, divide that by 100 to get the rate as a decimal to go in the equation. And we're going to need to know the amount of time that has passed. Starting with the principal amount. In 1985, there were 285 cell phone subscribers. Wow, that is such a small number compared to today. So in 1985, the initial value was 285. So P is 285. The rate that number is increasing is 75% per year. So our rate as a percentage is 75. So we're going to divide that by 100 to get the decimal number. So 75 divided by 100 is 0.75. And that's the number that's going to go in the equation. And finally, we need to know how much time has passed. So the time that's passed, we aren't told to find so many years after. We're told to find the number of subscribers in a specific year. So we need to know how much time has passed. From 1985 to 2008 is how many years? So we would just do 2008 minus 1985. And that gives us 23 years. So T is 23 years. Now that we have our pieces of information for the equation, we can plug that information in and get y equals 285 times 1 plus 0.75 raised to the power 23. And we're just going to type that information to calculate it in Desmos. 285 times 1 plus 0.75. Close your parentheses, click AB to get your exponent, and type 23. Wow, that is a very large number. Okay, so this is 110,845,988, and then that would be 0.3 if we were to round that. But since we're talking about subscribers or a number of people, we would need to approximate that to the nearest whole person. So that 0.3 is not large enough to bump that up to a 9 in front of it, so it's going to stay as 110,845,988 subscribers. So we can really see how that increased exponentially because it was growing by such a large percent each year.